let's see what's going on in the basement. Okay, this is my new air compressor, and I'm in the process of wiring it up. There's the disconnect switch that I installed, or I'm in the process of installing. Running conduit. Now the other part of the conduit is over by the breaker panel. Came out and I'm running down over that way. Still have to run a piece in between here and up here. You can see where that piece ends there, it's hard to see. But I'm going to be over my 360 degrees on my number of bends in the run, so I got to come up with some kind of a pull point, probably some kind of a unilit or something, so I'm stalled until I get that. But it's coming along.